Hi, my name is Jason Rogers. I own and operate 38 units in Nebraska, and I wanted to shoot this video to talk about this BioSafe here. I'm actually in the shop where we handle some of our maintenance items, and in fact, this stuff right here has been huge for maintaining our septic systems. We probably have, I think we have 16 total septic systems out here, 2 per the residential homes, and then we have some storage bays we also oversee. But particularly for our residential units themselves that are on the septic system, gosh, this stuff has just been great. We put 2 of these down, one down the kitchen, one down the sink, quarterly, so 4 times a year, a total of 8 packages in each home. Now, each home goes to, 2 homes go to each septic system, so if you think about it, you're actually doubling the total amount of volume you're putting into that septic system per year. I think it would be a total of 16 of these little packets per year, done quarterly. And that preventative maintenance has been huge for us. When we get a little bit behind in putting this stuff down, if it gets more than 90 days from putting this stuff down, we do one down the sink, one down the toilet. But if we don't do that, by about that 95th day, we start getting way more calls for clogged up sewer lines, clogged up kitchen lines. Immediately our call volume for that goes up by 300, 400, 500%. It's been astonishing how well this stuff works. And now we're actually talking with BioSafe about bringing on some of their other products, some of their higher end products that I'm candidly less familiar with right now, because we're just about to start treating our septic systems with that as well. And the reason we're buying the higher end stuff that BioSafe sells is because we've been so impressed with this stuff right here. So if you're on the fence, I would definitely implore you to get this. This is, I believe, the 36-month treatment, this BioSafe. We can actually go take a look at it here one sec. And while I walk you over here to take a look at specifically what we're using, I would just again say that the amount of headache you save with treating your septic systems, it's so imperative. And it I'm sure saves us many thousands of dollars in not having to fix septic systems. But in any event, this is the box that it comes in. We always buy this from BioSafe directly. It comes with a bunch of these packages. I'll show you. And I believe this is the 36-month. I believe this is the 36-month treatment. Let's see if I have anything else that says it. I'm pretty sure this is. And you can see it just comes in a bunch of these packages. And if we read on here, it gives you the directions here. And I guess it doesn't say, but I'm almost certain we use the 36-month product that's meant to work for 3 years. Now, we run it more than every 36 months. Maybe it's just because our tenants are hard on their septic systems. And I think as well just to keep them maintained, to keep the septic system operating well. Candidly, the preventative maintenance plan from which we're on was recommended to me by the prior owner who introduced me to BioSafe, and I'm very glad that he did, for the obvious reasons I'm talking about here. So look, in any event, I'm not the expert on septic systems, but the folks at BioSafe are. They, by the way, have great customer service. I've been on the phone with them before, and an individual named Chris in particular, shout out to Chris, he gave me great customer service, helping me figure out what my exact best game plan should be for our septic systems going forward. So I implore you as well to pick up the phone and give them a ring and have them help you out. They've really helped us out with their products and also with their customer service.